Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You will install Azure Storage Explorer and connect to your Azure resources now. Start the installer and allow required permissions. This ensures Explorer can access your account. Once done, sign in with Azure Active Directory for full management access, or paste a connection string or SAS token if you need scoped access. Make sure to expand subscriptions so the storage account appears. This immediate connection step matters because it determines what containers, file shares, and blobs you can manage from the tool. Now you'll perform the core management tasks. Browse containers or file shares in the left tree, then open a container to view blobs. Upload by dragging files or using Upload. This preserves names and metadata, so you can maintain organization. To optimize costs, change access tiers on large blobs and set metadata for later querying. Use the search box and filters to find items quickly, and use multi-select to apply bulk operations. By handling data, this way you keep storage tidy and cost-effective. Finish by performing advanced tasks. Configure container ACLs or generate a shared access signature for limited access. This controls who can read or write. You can also copy connection strings for app configuration, mount file shares for local access, and verify encryption settings for compliance. If something goes wrong, first check your network and local firewall, then confirm your subscription permissions and that SAS tokens haven't expired. If Explorer still fails, sign out and back in to refresh tokens. This simple step often resolves authentication hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.